teacher project this week is on order of operations. And remember, when we're checking operations, we mean anything in addition, subtraction, multiplication, or a division problem. And in this problem, you can see 6 plus 2, there is one operation. It's just an addition problem. And 6 plus 2 is? 8. That's right. So that's one operation. What happens though if we have a multiple operation problem? So if you have 6 plus 2 times 10, for example. So you might do 6 plus 2 equals 8, and then 8 times 10 equals 80. So that might be one way to do it. You also might do this problem the multiplication first. 2 times 10 equals 20. And then the 6 plus 20 equals 26. So that's a pretty different answer between 80 and 26, right? And for that reason, mathematicians made the order of operations, which is basically just rules to do your multiple operations with. And there's no real way to teach this, it's just memorizing it. There's no reason why they made them this way, but we have to memorize them. But they're nice acronyms that we can use. And here they are. They're called PEMDAS. So when we're doing order of operations, we do parentheses first, followed by exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Another way a lot of people know this is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. One tricky thing though to know about PEMDAS is the multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. So when you look at PEMDAS, you might think, well, the multiplication comes before division. So when I'm doing a problem, I would do my multiplication before my division. However, these actually mean they're the same step. And so you would do multiplication and division just the same way you would read a book, from left to right. So whatever comes first. In this problem, for example, the division comes before the multiplication. So you would do division and then multiplication. And then the same is true for addition and subtraction. When you look at a problem, you would just do them left to right. Addition comes before subtraction. But you're always going to look at the parentheses, exponents first. So let's try a few of these. Here we have 12 divided by 4 plus 5 times 3. So our PEMDAS tells us we don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents here. Do we have any multiplication? Yeah, we have one down here. Do we have a division? We do, and it actually comes first. So we're going to do 12 divided by 4, and we get 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, we're not going to do our addition yet, are we? Because in PEMDAS, multiplication is going to come first. So we're going to do 12, keep that, plus there. We're going to do 5 times 3, because that comes next. And that is 15.
15.
Yep, that's good. 3 plus 15. 3 plus 15 equals?
18.
18. Right. Great. So let's keep going. I have another one. It's here somewhere. I put it on the wall. Come on over here with me, people. Oh, yes, here it is. Just where I found it. So in this problem, you can see we have the same numbers. We have a 6 plus 4 times 7 minus 3. Down here we have also 6 plus 4 times 7 minus 3. But we know, because we know our PEMDAS, that our parentheses are in different places. So we should get some different answers. Let's do this. We're coming over here to our parentheses. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Then we're going to do our multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16. Then we're going to add our 6. 6 plus 16 equals 22. All right, remember, same operations, same numbers, but we're in different parenthesis places. So let's move down here. In this problem, 6 plus 4 comes first because it's in parentheses, equals 10. Now we're going to do our times 7, and we get 70. Take away 3 equals 67. So in one case we got 22, in another we have 67. Again, PEMDAS just have to be learned. Come on back over this way.
Here we go.
One fun way that you could teach kids to do PEMDAS in the classroom would be to give them some numbers and some little squares of operations. So I have a subtraction, I have a parentheses, I have a multiplication, and I have an addition. And I would do this with a group of kids, and I would give them these cards. I'm going to use Lucas over here. He's going to come on up. Lucas, I have an 18, a 2, a 4, and a 3. Can you make the number 77 using these?
Does it have tape on the back?
They do.
Okay,
So if you put parentheses there, let's check it. In the parentheses, he had 18 plus 2 equals 20. And you had 20 times 4 equals
80.
Take away 3.
77.
Nice job. So that would be a fun way that groups could work together to move their parentheses around to find different numbers. Another fun way might be to go outside and do PEMDAS hopscotch, where you would have in the one place you have your P, your exponents, and your multiplication might be your 2 and your 3. A nice active way to learn the PEMDAS. But really, they just need to be memorized. And so remember, when you're doing order of operations, first comes parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction.
Thank you
Did you
both.
know?
The next time.